from the Journal Broadcast Group studios. KMTV Action 3 News Live at 10 starts now with your first warning forecast.
Here. Ahead on KMTV Action 3 News Live at 10, her breast cancer was aggressive and spreading.
Tonight, my story about a woman who, while fighting her own battle, is helping further the search for a cure. Thanks to medical breakthroughs, people who get breast cancer now have more than a 90% chance of surviving the disease. And we celebrate the survivors every year at the Race for the Cure. But that doesn't mean the work is over. More women are needed to help cure cancer. This slideshow is a tribute to what the Sells family has endured and survived this past year. Stacy's battle with stage 2 breast cancer.
I did survive it. I did survive this last roller coaster crazy of a year.
More proof is waving from the porch. At 36, Stacy's diagnosis showed a cancer that was aggressive and spreading. That's why doctors asked her to participate in a National Cancer Institute study to see if adding the drug Avastin to chemotherapy can keep the cancer from coming back.
I didn't really even have to think twice about it. I have daughters, I have family and friends, and if this is a drug that could benefit me and help my standard of care of treatment and be an approved drug that helps others, then why wouldn't I?
Researchers wish there were more Stacys saying yes. Nationally, less than 3% of people with cancer participate in clinical trials. At Methodist Hospital, that number is 3 times better, but still low.
Really, the way we've made good progress in cancer has been through the clinical trial program.
And as doctors discover that success means treating each person's cancer differently based on genetics, having more options is better.
It can make a difference in survival.
It will be years before Stacy and scientists know what effect Avastin has had, but she does know what this year has taught herself and her kids.
I hope that they learned grace and faith and hope.
In a house filled with love, joy, and life. Now, Stacy has just recently returned to work, and she says that transition to being normal again is a little bumpy.
Yeah, a sea of survivors will flood downtown Omaha for the Race for the Cure, Sunday, October 2nd.
And we hope you'll join us. You can register online at action3news.com.
You said it might be a year or so before we know if the Avastin is effective. What's her mood? She seems upbeat.
She is very, very upbeat. You know, she is disease-free and in remission officially now. It has been 1 year since she was diagnosed, so she just hit the 1 year mark this week. And so she has every intention of being fine for the next several decades.
Oh, wow. That is tremendous.
That is great.
Excellent ending to that story. Still to come on KMTV Action.